I am Tamil Selvi, Professor at Department of Civil Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. The topic is self-compacting concrete. Self-compacting concrete is name itself with the compact itself. So self-compacting concrete is most revolutionary development in concrete construction several decades. It has proved to be beneficial from the following points. The main benefit of the self-compacting concrete is faster construction, reduction in site manpower, better surface finish, greater freedom in design, thinner concrete section, reduced noise level, safer working environment, material for self-compacting concrete, easier placing, improved durability. These materials are mainly used in self-compacting concrete: cement, aggregates, mixing water. So cement is ordinary Portland cement. It may be 43 or 53 grade can be used. Aggregates, this maximum size of aggregate is generally limited to 20 mm. In the self-compacting concrete, we are using 10 to 12 mm. It's desirable for structure. So wherever possible, size of aggregate higher than 20 mm could also be used. Well graded cubical or rounded aggregates are desirable. Fine aggregates can be natural or manufactured. The grading must be uniform throughout the work. The moisture content or absorption characteristics must be closely monitored as quality of self-compacting concrete. Particles smaller than 0.125 mm, that is 125 micron size, are considered as fines. Mixing of water must be established on the same line as that for using reinforced concrete or prestressed concrete. Chemical admixture, it's mainly using for chemical admixture is superplasticists are essential component of self-compacting concrete to provide necessary workability. Other types may be incorporated as necessarily, such as viscosity modifying agents VMA, viscosity modifying agents for stability, air entraining agents AEA to improve freeze-thaw resistance and retarders. Mineral admixture is mainly used to fly ash, ground granulated blast furnace slag, silica fume, stone powder. There are three ways in self-compacting concrete can be made: powder type, VMA type. So powder type is in powder type SCC is made by increasing the powder content. In VMA type it is made by viscosity modifying admixture. Requirement of self-compacting concrete is main characteristic of self-compacting concrete is the properties of fresh state. The mixed design are focused on the ability of flow between and flow under its own weight without vibration, the ability to flow through heavily congested reinforcement under its own weight, and the ability to retain homogeneity without segregation. So the workability of self-compacting concrete is higher than very high degree workability mentioned IS 456-2000. A concrete mix can be easily classified as self-compacting concrete. It has the following characteristics: filling ability, passing ability, segregation resistance. So workability of the fresh self-compacting concrete is fulfilled at the time of placing. So initial mix proportion. So water powder ratio by the volume is 0.8 to 1. Total power content 160 to 240 liters. The sand content may be more than 38% of the mortar volume. Coarse aggregate content should normally 28 to 35% by volume of mix. Funnel test and V funnel test at T5. So the funnel test is developed in Japan. It's a V-shaped funnel. The V funnel test is used to determine the filling ability of the concrete. Here the size of aggregate is 20 mm size. The funnel is filled with about 12 liters of concrete. Find the time taken for its the flow down. After the funnel can be filled with the concrete and left for 5 minutes to settle. If the concrete shows segregation, then the flow time will increase significantly. This is the funnel sizes of the funnel. So equipment is V funnel, bucket 12 liters, trowel, scoop, stopwatch. A 12 liter concrete is needed for the test. Set the V funnel on the firm ground. Moisten inside the funnel. Keep trapdoor open. Remove and surplus water. Close the trapdoor and place bucket underneath. Fill the apparatus completely with the concrete. Open within the 10 seconds in the trapdoor and record the time taken for the concrete to flow down. Record the time for emptying. This can be judged when the light is seen when viewed from top. The whole test is to be performed within 5 minutes. This is for V funnel test. This test is very much important in the self-compacting concrete for filling ability. Thank you.